What's up, guys? Today, obviously, as you can see, I need to clean my garage, but one of the things I wanted to go over is I see tons of videos of how to upgrade lighting in garages and things like that, but I always see garages that have like nice sheetrock in the ceiling and things like that. I haven't seen a video where it's an old house where, you know, it's open and it's just insulation hanging down, and you have like gas lines and things like that so that you can't flush mount your lights. So what I did was purchase some of these LED strips from Home Depot, and I actually got the ones that you can link together. And what I did was above my workbench there was just regular light sockets, and so I purchased these adapters, if you can see that, which allows you to screw that into the bulb socket and gives you a regular outlet, which then allows you to hook these lights together. Now, I wouldn't recommend putting too many of these together on one of those, because you could definitely overload it, which is why I put another one down here for these guys. But yeah, just a quick little rundown of how I got better lighting in my garage. Hopefully this helps some of you guys. Okay, so like I said before, to upgrade the lighting in a garage where the ceiling might be uneven or you might have things in the way preventing you from flush mounting a light, because as you can see on the back of these lights, they do have the ability to be flush mounted, which does look really nice, but unfortunately I'm in an older house, and so that is not an option for me. So it is one of the reasons why I chose to go with the Home Depot lights. But it's my understanding that you can actually get lights similar to this at Costco, any big box store really. The main thing is, for me, I need these cables, which drops the light just low enough so that it doesn't interfere with the things on the ceiling. The other thing I'd recommend is to get lights that are linkable, like this, which means you can plug them into each other, which means it's a lot easier to install these, and you don't have to run outlets all over your garage to plug each individual light in. So for this, all you'll need is the installation packet that comes with the car, or with the light. You'll need a drill, or an impact in my case. So then we will mount these on the ceiling. So one modification I did want to recommend when you're doing this is they put a pre-made hoop, and so what I recommend is adding a washer on the screw just to prevent that from ever falling out. All right, so the next light has been installed. So I've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LED strips. I do think I'm going to probably add maybe 1 or 2 more, just because my little work area over here is a little bit dim. But besides that, I have good lighting on the cars, both for when I'm going to detail and when I'm going to work on the engine. Finally have a light that is basically over the engine itself. I've got this one, and then I've got that one there now, which gives me full visibility over the engine when I'm working, which lighting is essential, not only just working on cars, but just doing anything in the garage for that matter. But hopefully this is helpful for you. Cheap and easy solution. I have seen the little lights that you actually just screw in to the regular light sockets, and I'm considering adding those in here as well, instead of adding another strip, just because these actually run on another switch, and when I turn those on, it would completely fill the room. So all right.